Hello everyone. So it's a new topic, not a new topic, but UGC NET 2024 details about. So for the paper one, what we have 10 papers. Okay, so UGC NET we have 10 papers. It is on the upcoming days only, and 2-3 days are left for your examination. The schedule has been already declared. I have also shared on my channel. So there's are the 10 papers which are there on UGC NET. What are they? Teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematical reasoning, logical reasoning, data interpretation, information and communication technology, people development and environment, higher education system. These 10 components, each and every one is very important. Why? Because question can come from anywhere. Okay, and these are very important for the reason being that 100 marks is there, and you have to get a good marks in order to secure and get a good rank, because you know from अभी से ही PhD का भी एनरोलमेंट का मार्क्स भी इसमें देखा जाएगा. तो ये बहुत क्रूशियल और इम्पोर्टेंट एग्जाम हो चुका है और पेन ऑन पेपर मोड में तो आ ही गया है. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक. सो लेट अस सी ईच वन ऑफ द टॉपिक्स दैट व्हाट इट इज देयर. कंटिन्यू. Paper 1. The paper 1 will consist of what? So as I told that it will be consisting of 10 papers each one, and there is 100 marks. Okay, so it's a general paper on teaching and research aptitude, and every subject will have to give paper 1. Means paper 2 is different for each individual specific it is, but paper 1 is common to all. The main objective is what? It's to assess the teaching and research capability of the candidates. That is the main motto of paper 1. The test aims to assess teaching and research aptitude as well. Candidates are expected to possess and exhibit cognitive ability which include comprehension, analysis, evaluation, understanding the structure of argument, deductive and inductive reasoning, and the candidates are also expected to have a general awareness about teaching, learning process in the higher education system. Further, they should be aware of interaction between people, environment, natural resource, and their impact on quality of life. So now detailed syllabus is what? First, let us start with the teaching aptitude. This is the first for paper 1. Okay. So teaching, it consists of concept, objective, level of teaching. Level of teaching we have memory, understanding, reflective. 3 types are there. In short, if I tell you what is memory, what you are learning, just on the first understand, you are scrutinizing. Okay, understanding means you are understanding, and reflective means you are giving it. Okay, so when a student just listening to it at the very beginning, that is memory. When the student is understanding, that is understanding, and it is reflecting when the person is giving after studying, doing the thing. Now characteristics and basic requirement is there. Now there are certain learner characteristics. What are they? Characteristics of adolescent and adult learner. Okay, so academic point, social point, emotional point, and cognitive point. Cognitive means behavioral point, and individual differences are there. Then what we will learn in teaching aptitude, the factors which affect teaching, which are related to teacher or learner or support material, the instructional facilities being provided, how the learning environment should be an institution, because it varies from one prospect to other, right? What are the methods of teaching in institution of higher learning? Is that teacher-centered versus learner-centered is there? Offline versus online is there? Swayam, Swayamprabha, MOOCs are there. Teaching support system is there. How? Traditional, modern and ICT based is there. Evaluation system, so there are elements, there are types of evaluation. Evaluation in choice based credit system is there. Like nowadays the way the grading system is being done, right? Because see, it is all about what you need to know about the teaching process, because you want to become a professional, you are giving the exam for that. So to understand all these things, right? Computer based testing, CBT, innovations in evaluation system. So this is all about paper 1, that is teaching aptitude. Okay, now we go to research aptitude, which is the second paper for your examination. So what is there on second paper? Research means the meaning, the type and the characteristics. What is positivism and post-positivistic approach to research? There are different types of methods of research. Okay, what are they? Experimental is there, that what is the thing which is being going on. Descriptive, in details what it is being done, historical like theory, you can say that also, qualitative also, and quantitative where it will be a mix and match of data and theory. Now there are certain steps to research. Steps to research is very important thing on any respect. Why? Because on steps to research we determine the hypothesis, that what is the hypothesis on the basis of what we are going to do the research. So that is very important. First thing that we determine, and then on the basis of that we make the hypothesis. Okay, we are going to do this, we are going to do that, right? You decide and then you go accordingly. So that is there, and then following that we proceed like that. Okay, so like we give the test, we give the hypothesis, then we do the research, and then the types of research we follow accordingly. Thesis and article writing is there, format and styles of referencing is there. What is the application of ICT in research, like information and communication technology? So what is there on research, that is there. And finally the research ethics, because we cannot do anything, like there are certain criteria we need to follow when we are doing that. So that is there. So this is one of the important part for your research aptitude too.